Hi, this is Giles Johnston from Fraction ERP with a quick walkthrough video of the shop floor data collection tools and shop floor tracking tools as seen by the shop floor user. Once you're logged in as a shop floor user, you can go to the operations screen and see all the operations that are queued across the factory. You can also filter for your work centre, and you can scroll through the various weeks should you need to find a different operation. In this example, I'm going to clock on to this job here ending 7/9. I can quickly select myself from the list of users, enter my PIN number and start the job. As you can now see, the operation has a status of in progress, and if I go to the main SFDC screen, I can see any other jobs in the business that are currently in progress. This screen also gives the opportunity to stop logging, which is great if you want to just clock off between shifts or at lunch breaks. If I'm a shop floor supervisor, I also have the opportunity to use the works order tracking screen, which includes this powerful search function. I can view the works order in question, check on the operations being completed, and I can also complete the operation using this button rather than the actual shop floor data collection system. So going back into the SFDC button here, I've got the option to pause my log, similar to logging off at lunch times, which we discussed before, or stopping the log and completing the batch in its entirety. You can now see that the status of this operation is completed and the progress bar has been updated. If we go back into the production tracking screen and search for our works order, we can also see the progress bar has updated here too. I hope this short video has given you a better idea of how the Fraction ERP tools look to a shop floor user, how they can generate their own work to list, and how a shop floor supervisor can actually also monitor the works orders and control the progress of the operations themselves. If you want to learn more about how Fraction ERP can help your business to become more productive, then please sign up for a free demo using the contact form on our website. Thank you.